Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm here to walk you through on how to deposit Ton coin in Keeper. So for you to do that, you have to go to your home main page. This is our home page, main page, which is the main wallet address. This is the sum total of all the crypto assets that you have in your wallet. So for us to be able to deposit Ton coin into our Keeper, then you have to locate the Ton coin wallet. And here is it under setup. We click. Then we click on receive. Then here's our QR code. You can see up here, receive Ton coin. Then we click on copy. Then we go back to our main page. Here is it. You can see send. Then we click on send. Then we paste our wallet address. You can see here, this is paste. You can click or use the manual method. You can see paste. Then this is our Ton coin wallet address ID. Then we click on continue. Then you have to input the amount of Ton coin that you want to deposit into your Ton coin wallet address. Let's say I want to deposit 50 Ton coin, and this is the amount of 50 Ton coin in USD, which is 359.25. So if I want to pay, if I want to buy this is the amount of USD I'm going to buy. Then I click on continue. Then after that, after I'll have to follow some prompts for me to be able to perform the transaction. Once that is done, you come back here, then you click on your Ton coin. Then the amount of your Ton coin will reflect on your Ton coin dashboard. You can see here we have 0, but if you successfully made the transaction, the amount you deposit will reflect here. Thank you.